I want to give you an overview of the Reports tab in Tabby. In Tabby, we have a few reports: the profit and loss report, the expense, the tax ready report. The most important one will be the profit and loss report. This will give you a summary of your business, how it's doing. So say we click on that, we choose the date that we want. We want a custom date. We have a pre-filled date. Say we want to look at this year to date. So what that means is this year to date, how much your revenue is, how much expenses you have, how much net profit you have. You can print this to Excel, you can export this to PDF, and then you can, if you need to give it to your accountant, you need to do your own tax, you can do any of that. You can also click on any of these transactions here and see the detail of what's included. It shows you the category, it shows you what account this is from, the total balance. So in the P&L, you can basically look at things, and then you can see if something is looking right, what category your expenses is in. And you see sometimes you'll see an uncategorized expense. And basically, these are transactions that are essentially in the review tab that you just have to clear. Once you clear that, it will no longer be an uncategorized. So that's one of the reports, the profit and loss report, my favorite report in Tabby. Then the expense categories. The expense categories show you where your transactions, where your money is going. Just looking at expenses, how much you're paying to specific places, accounting, utilities, who your money is going to, which vendor is it going to, like Con Ed, for example, SDTF. There's different vendors where your money is going to. Some might be unknown, maybe because the vendor, its Tabby could not determine based off of the transaction. Now, the expense category can also be saved and reported, and this gives you you can change the date as well. You can put any date you like. Then we have the tax report. This is something that's in the works. It's coming very soon, and I'll give a specific overview. This will be very useful during tax season. End of the year, you need to do the taxes, and this is a report that will basically guide you on everything that you need to know about your business to complete your taxes.